Burger pizza. Welcome to my channel, and we will make burger pizza today. First we will make dough for pizza. For this we will take a pot and put purpose flour in it. After adding flour, we will add hot water, salt and baking powder. Knead this dough well, and take it out in a separate vessel and keep it aside for some time. Now we will prepare the topping for this pizza, for which we will take a pot, pour oil in it and add chicken and fry it well, and add spices and fry it well. They will also add finely chopped green chilies and fry it well. Two spoons of butter will also be added to it. And now we will fry it well. Now divide the dough into two parts and roll it into a pizza shape. Take a plate and apply ghee on it and place the dough on top of it. And after topping cheese, now we will add chicken topping on it and cheese on it and cheese on one and onion on one pizza. If not, you can leave. And now we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to wait a little while for it to cook well and the batter that's inside it. Now take out the poozy from the wool and put it on the pan for a while, so that the dough under it cooks well. And now put coriander on it and cut it into small pieces and eat it with pleasure. And this was our burger pizza. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.